Yellow, Young Fibonacci here. Really quickly, I wanted to review a couple trade setups that I've had and a couple trades that I'm actually in now. I'm actually in live on this trade on a different broker account on my mobile platform. Um, and This is actually live right now. So I actually wrote this down so I could cover this with you guys. Okay, so what happened is we had a daily descending trend, uh, and the 4 hour broke through the rising channel. Okay, so it formed a head and shoulder pattern, and then price reversed from a daily descending trend line and broke out on a 4 hour rising channel. Okay, so essentially what that means is um, okay, so price came down. Uh, this was an ascending line. It broke that, indicating a downtrend. We actually took this trade right here and took it down. I got out about 60 pips, but we took it down right here. Other people took it down a little bit longer. One guy got this full freight, but I ended up getting about 60 pips right there. Okay, so that happened. And then what I noticed started to happen was a head and shoulders would start to form. Now I know, typically what would happen is price would go back from here and retrace up to this level and then strictly shoot down. And we would sell right when it crossed here. But it did do that today. Price ignored that, came really close to breaking through on this candle right here. Came through close to breaking through on this candle right here. Uh, this candle right here, but it actually didn't. So I held out. I was like, hey, I don't know what it's gonna do. And it reversed. So I entertained the idea of it might still go up. But then what happened was it broke down below again, closed behind this line. So I took the trade at the end of this, and now we're 13 pips in profit. My target is about 30 pips for this one, based on the Fibonacci's. So you take that right here. I could take it down to, uh, let's see right here, down to this bottom, which is about 34 pips or so. So that's where I'm at now on New Zealand dollar. I actually had, what else did I have? This one I'm waiting for it to form a little bit, which is Australian dollar, Swiss franc. What I expect to happen here is Australian dollar to keep rising, come back, hit this, and then break on the downside. So I'm waiting for this to break out on this level right here. So no action right there, but I'm also live on this trade right now, actually on this broker. What we had was a big breakout through this trend line yesterday or a couple days ago. So we caught some volatility right here. But a lot of people miss this trade. So what I project to happen is what's actually happening now, where this is going to consolidate. It went and consolidated. It's broke through this level right here. So what I project to happen is what's going to happen now is um, price broke through right here, kind of rejected, came back down. Now I fully expect this to continue uh, upwards of 60 pips. So right here should end up right there. Okay, so those are the trades I'm in now, and I'll send you guys an update and let you guys know how these went. Thank you.